Would you believe me if I told you this place is just 5 to 10 minutes away from the resort? We came here expecting just a peaceful stay, but the resort had planned something far more adventurous. A hidden trek deep into this beautiful valley. And this was just the beginning of what Serendipity Lakes and Resort had in store for us. With Swara leading the way, let's see how she explores this beautiful place, where the resort had planned thoughtful, kid-friendly activities just for her.
भानु, कॉटेज भानु, सूर्य भानु.
आतमध्ये काढू किंवा
चल ना चल. टू प्लीज.
कितना क्यूट.
चलो.
ओह,
We had booked their premium cottage. Since we were visiting in peak winter, with temperatures around 6 degrees, heaters were provided in every cottage.
सो अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे वॉशरूम में क्या है खास. रुको, इसके अंदर वो बाहर वाला वॉशरूम भी है.
आउटडोर.
पर अभी के लिए कोई नहीं था, इसलिए वो थोड़ा सा वाह, ये देखो.
क्या है?
एक सेकेंड, इधर कोई नहा रहा
हाँ,
था तो उधर से
अच्छा,
दिखेगा.
उधर से गुप्त रास्ता होगा.
हाँ. सीक्रेट रूम.
So this was our cottage at Serendipity Lakes and Resort. It was warm, cozy, and beautifully designed. The room comes with all modern amenities, spacious bathroom, and everything you need for a relaxing stay. But the best part was waiting outside.
सो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं
एक्सप्लोर करने.
एक्टिविटीज देखने. और मुझे पता चली इधर की थीम आदिवासी है शायद से, क्योंकि वो देखो 4 भी उसमें लिखा है. मम्मी ने
रिले
हमको
रेस में फर्स्ट मिला है ना. दिखाओ जरा. दिखाओ जरा कितनी स्पीड है. जाओ पहुंचो वहां तक.
This place wasn't just a resort stay for Swara. It was a whole new world waiting to be explored. Surrounded by mountains, forests, and endless open spaces, every corner felt like an adventure to her. Seeing her enjoy these little moments made this stay even more special. But there was another surprise waiting for her. Something we never expected. This beautiful property wasn't just attracting travelers, it was also attracting filmmakers. And during our stay, a movie was actually being shot here, with the entire cast staying at the same resort. For Swara, it was like stepping into a real-life movie
तो
scene.
फ्रेंड्स, अभी हम लोग आए हैं सेरेंडिपिटी के रिसेप्शन एरिया में.
चलो.
और बताया है ऐसा कि इधर एक साउथ की फिल्म के एक्टर एक्ट्रेस रुकने वाले हैं.
As we arrived, we were welcomed with a refreshing glass of kokum sharbat, a perfect start to our stay in the middle of nature. With welcome drink in hand, we began exploring the resort together, walking through peaceful pathways surrounded by greenery and beautiful sculptures. As we explored further, we discovered a private lake, a beautiful pond, and resort's restaurant.
सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने. अभी मेरे पास माइक नहीं है, इसलिए आवाज़ थोड़ी कम आ सकती है. मैं
थोड़ा चिल्ला
ट्राई करूँगी.
As Swara walked into the restaurant, she was excited to see so many delicious options waiting for her. The breakfast spread here was truly impressive. There was something for everyone. From freshly brewed tea and coffee to comforting favorites like idli sambar, pav bhaji, chole bhature, and even hot, freshly made aloo parathas. There were fresh fruit juices and so many options. But the best part wasn't the variety. It was watching Swara enjoy her breakfast so happily.
तो
अभी हम लोग एक्टिविटी एरिया में जाएंगे, गेम्स खेलेंगे.
तो अभी हम एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं पूरा चीज.
हाँ, और मैं तो खेलने ही बैठ जाऊंगी एक्टिविटी एरिया में जाके.
मुझे पहले वो उधर जाना है जहाँ पे वो स्वान रखे हुए हैं सारे।
हाँ, मुझे तो डर लग रहा है स्वानी मेरे पीछे ना सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है। अभी तो स्वान के पास
हाँ डक
जाते
है
हैं।
उसमें, ऐसा डक है।
उसमें डक्स भी है।
देखो सब के सब डक्स कैसे सो गए स्वरा।
प्रिंस अभी मैं ये
डक
दबाऊंगा,
है।
देखते हैं क्या करते हैं। कुछ नहीं लग रहा, पहले जो मैंने किया था तब सब वैसे उड़ गए।
After spending time watching the ducks, we came across something unexpected. Papa Ka Dhaba. Tucked quietly within the resort, this traditional style dhaba adds a beautiful rustic charm to the experience. It was like discovering a little hidden spot. Places like this remind you to slow down, to sit, relax, and enjoy the moments. The resort also has a beautiful swimming pool, thoughtfully designed with a poolside bar.
का ही पूल है यार, मैं जा सकती थी, क्यों हम विंटर में आए।
The pool looked inviting. For Swara, it was another exciting place to explore. But the winter cold in Tamia did not let us take a dip. Still, just being there, surrounded by nature and silence, made the moment special.
एक्टिविटी एरिया।
चलो
After exploring the outdoors, Swara found out the fun corner, activity area. But wait, the surprises did not stop here.
तो फ्रेंड्स, अभी ये लोग इधर ही शूट करने वाले हैं, तो फिर उनका सेटअप चल रहा है।
As we had mentioned about the shooting happening at the resort, we were now witnessing it. But the final surprise is still remaining. The actor we had seen during the shoot soon became more than just someone we watched from a distance. He became a friend not just to Swara, but to all of us. From playing table tennis to feeding ducks by the lake, he became part of our everyday moments here. It did not feel like we are at a film location. It felt like we were simply sharing beautiful moments with a friend. The movie is a South Indian horror film starring Avika Gaur with him. We truly hope his movie does wonderfully at the box office. As the night falls, the resort takes on a different kind of magic. You can take a peaceful walk by the lake with your family, feed the ducks, and simply enjoy the serenity all around. It's in these quiet moments that you truly connect with nature. But our day wasn't over yet. Next on our list was something very special. Visiting the home of Gond and Bharia tribes and sharing an authentic dinner with them. We were excited to experience their culture, hospitality, and taste their traditional food. Stay tuned because this was going to be an experience like no other. For Swara, it was a place where she explored freely, made new friends, and lived moments she will always remember. If you enjoy traveling and creating memories like these with your family, don't forget to subscribe and be part of our journey.